how to find and join Facebook events. So in order to do that, head over right here to your three lines or your menu. Now, just locate for the shortcut name event, which is in here. But if you can see it, you can click on the steamer option. Now, click on this event option, and then you should be able to see in here any events that you have created or some events that is actually catered for you. You can also see in here local events, events happening this week, as well as events hosted or posted by friends. So if you want to join some of those events, like for example, in here, this right there, what you can do is you can head over and then click on this interested option. Then as you can see, we are now interested for this one. If you want, you can also share this event by clicking on this icon right here and you should be able to share it. So once you have clicked on this interested option, click on this going and then you should be able to join that particular event. So that's how you find and join Facebook events. Hope we help.